Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to update direct deposit in YNAB. So the first step is to tap the transaction button at the bottom of the app and then enter the amount of your income, then tap done. You'll have to make sure the toggle switch is on inflow at the top of the screen, and in the payee field choose or create a payee that describes the source of the money, typically a personal or business, but you can use sometimes more general like paycheck, interest, or gift money. This payee is how you'll be able to differentiate your income sources in your income versus expense report. Set the category as inflow ready to assign. For the account option, make sure you've selected the account that is receiving the funds, and then feel free to customize the data and add the flag or memo, or set this as a repeating inflow by adjusting the additional fields on this screen. Then tap save when you're done, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.